Hello everyone, welcome to Complete Agriculture. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest wool and wool processing technology step by step. So keep watching till the end and enjoy the wool harvesting and processing technology. To harvest wool from a sheep, you can follow the steps. Gather unnecessary equipment such as shears and clippers. Catch and restrain the sheep in a secure area such as a pen or holding crate. Use a shears and clippers to carefully cut away any matted or dirty section of wool. Be sure to avoid cutting a sheep's skin. Continue shearing the wool in a consistent pattern, working your way down the sheep's body. Once the sheep is fully sheared, collect the wool and place it into a bag and container for transport. It is important to handle the sheep gently and carefully during the shearing process to avoid causing any harm or stress to animal. It is also a good idea to have someone else present to assist you if necessary. Wool is made of fiber of fleece of sheep and other animals such as goat and others animal. The process of making wool includes several steps. Shearing. The steps in the process is making wool is to remove the flea from the animal. This is typically done using the electric clipper or hand shears. Sorting. After the fleece has been removed, it is sorted according to the color and quality. Scouring. The fleece is then cleaned using hot water and detergent to remove dirt, grease, and other impurities. This process is known as scouring. Cutting. After the flea has been scoured, the fibers are straightened and combined using a machine called a card. This separates the fiber and removes any remaining impurities. spinning. The fiber are then spun into a yarn using a spinning wheel or machine. Weaving is the process. The yarn is then woven into a fiber using a loom or machine. Then the finishing. The fiber is treated with chemical to give a specific characteristics such as water resistance or wrinkle resistance. It is then cut and sewn using finished product such as clothing and blankets. Harvest wool is a very critical process. This is done using very
secured manner. Please watch till the end and you will find out how the wool is processing properly.
Those are the following steps are used in the wool processing technology.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for watching my video and for being a part of my channel. Creating content is a passion of mine and I truly appreciate your support. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, I would like to be grateful if you consider subscribe to my channel and sharing my content with your friends and followers. It means a lot to me and help me to consider and continue making new video for you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.